Okay, great. The drawing figure 1 shows the plan of a single residence dwelling, and it shows the usual rooms and facilities. Now, somebody muted me here, my music in the background. Who playing music in the background? Zoe or Alfonso? Which one are y'all? Okay, that was Zoe. All right, good. So now, yes, now you have to show on the drawing the position of each outlet and control device. So the first thing you will do is room by room, you will draw the outlets that's supposed to be in here. So as we look at this room here that says DR, and that stands for dining room, these here show windows. This here is a door and a door opening. So for one, I could put a single pole switch right at this door opening. And the symbol for that is a S with a strike through. Okay. This is also the front door, so I could put either a wall mounted lamp. Oh Lord, the circle looks so nasty. I can't live with that. Either I put a wall mounted lamp or I think put on. Okay, let's use this one as my wall mounted lamp. And then this now is my wall mounted lamp. And I would connect this switch to this lamp with a broken line, indicating the switch leg. Okay, so this switch is controlling the light on the porch outside here. Now in my dining room, I'm also going to insert my light. So you want a light that can be right in the opening of the door, in the opening of the doorway. And for that, I also need to install a switch. Draw everything by hand. Okay, and then I will now connect this switch to this light right here. And obviously the light has the symbol looking like that. All right. Now, your living room area here, I can install here a ceiling light with a fan on that. Ceiling light with a fan on that. So I'll put, I'm struggling to work these tools. So we kind of know the fan has its blades. Normally use 4 blades for that. Okay, and what I'm gonna do to speed this process up, right? Um, each person can actually draw on this. You can actually draw on this screen while I'm using it. So I'm just gonna scroll up a little bit. Can I? No, but my drawing moving when I scroll it. Okay. It ain't giving me the tools I need like in a real drawing program. But let's just use it for an example. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. All right, so I'll draw and then you all watch. That's all. All right. So our fan with light, we'll have another switch here. This switch could actually go on. We could actually put 3-way switches here. One at this wall here, at the exit or the entrance of this hallway, and we could put one. I don't want to put it behind this door here, so we'll have to put it again. No, we'll have to put it on this wall here to be exact. We don't want to put it behind the wall, but it's different. And we'll put 3 on the side of that to indicate it's a 3-way switch. And then we'll connect between our switches. We'll connect between our switches. So this switch controls this fan with light from that location. This one also does the same. All right. In your dining room section, because maybe you'll want to install a chandelier or something fancy over there, you just put a simple lighting fixture there, and that lighting fixture you allow to be controlled also by a 3-way switch, which you'll install on the same wall here and right here. You'll install that right there, and we'll have 2 connections for this light right there. Now, what else do you think we need in these spaces? Anybody? What else do we need in these spaces here? Which are the outlets we need?
Duplex.
All right, so we need a duplex. So here is the symbol for the duplex. Okay, doing it on the side here. And this is what I should have drawn on the side, so at least you would know what I'm dealing with. The common symbols that we are going to use. And then this would be your.
Hold on. So duplex outlets could go anywhere, or they have specific places where they're supposed to be?
Okay, Alfonso, you want to answer that?
Anu?
Answer Zoe's question.
What did you say, Zoe?
I say if duplex outlets could go anywhere, or they have specific places to be.
We can't put them like close to like places without water.
Ah, okay.
You can put them anywhere else, so.
All right, I'm not sure if you fully answer that. You don't want to put them. Well, actually, they could go behind the door. They could go behind the door.
All right then.
Fuel and lamp, and then this would be a fan with light. And then of course we have our different switches. We have the S single pole switch. We have the S3 three-way switch. We have single pole switch. All right, so I'm trying to speed up. I'm not trying to waste your time. Okay, so our duplex receptacle now, we're going to install that 6 feet apart on a wall. So whatever the length of the wall is, you want to ensure that your duplex receptacles are 6 feet apart on it. So you just basically draw your duplex like that, you circle, and the legs will go into the wall. Now, when you're drawing these on the exam, you have to ensure that you draw them as consistently and as neatly as possible. As you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, this part of the question is worth a whopping 16 points. You see that? A whole 16 points. This thing is worth 16 points. And so you have to put detail in these sections and make sure there's a flow. So for this dining room area, you'll put a socket right here. You'll put another one on the wall right here. You'll put another one on this wall right here. You'll also put one over here. So basically you could use the windows as your markers and the walls, estimate the middle of the wall. All right? So that's how you would label that. Now there are other special outlets you could install, like your telephone, your television. You could put a doorbell system in, which is basically you draw the push button switch, which is a box and a circle on top of it. That's for the push button switch. And then somewhere in the roof, you will put your chime, which is a box, not a circle. It'll be in the roof. So you'll put a box somewhere in the roof, and you have the words, the letters CH typed in that. CH, meaning chime, typed inside that box right there. And then you could show your connection for the chime, because it's a push button switch that's connected to that. And obviously when you press the push button, the chime will signal that someone is there. All right, so basically that's your basic connection for your living and dining room area. It's important for you to put detail in these drawings. Very important for you to put detail in these drawings. Now you can also put on each of the 4 corners of your house floodlights that will point in